On the new MV3s and MV4s, Monster Valve 3s and 4s, those are the ones with the grommet and the nut, the brass nut. What it does is that grommet goes into the hole, and the nut with a wedge spreads the grommet and tightens it against the rim when it's through the hole of the rim. The kit is going to come with a little tiny Loctite capsule of 243, which is a medium Loctite, and so you're just going to pop that thing open. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you keep as much of this Loctite off of the surface of this if you can, because it hardens it and does some kind of a little chemical reaction. So the easiest way to do it is put the Loctite inside the thread right here. Okay, so see how much I have on there, and it's a decent amount. And that way, when you screw this on, it's going to keep all the front portion of the nut dry, and you can see that in there. All right. And there's another tool that tightens it. So you're going to tighten this. You're going to tighten it till it's snug, and then just go 1/4 turn. And that's how tight you want to make this. It's not super tight. If it's super tight, you can actually cut through the grommet. So that's the Loctite 243, and that's how you apply it. And thank you for watching.